Okay, so with the floor down on this side, I could finish putting in the kind of slats to make them flush out to there. And that is it for today. I still have this corner one, but I won't be able to do that until that electrical box in the back gets changed out. It's interesting. There are so many things that are contingent on something else being done first. So I need to put this in for a wall support box on that side for the light switch, but I can't put this in until this is out, mainly because there is a metal piece here, so I'm not able to put it flush with the front. Because I can't put this in, I can't put this in. And that is for the sheetrock strut to get it out to match this width out. Because I can't put this in, I can't put this one in, which is the one for the wall this way. So yeah, a lot of dominoes have to happen before you get things finished. So I had my dad in, and he changed out a couple of boxes for me so that it's doing pretty good. I had these sheetrock ones, so they attached to the sheetrock. And when I took away the boards on these walls, I now needed the nail-in kind. So I got those and set them in, or my dad set them in.